In this video, I'm going to provide you with a detailed guide on Dubai's 10-year golden visa and how you can get one. My name is 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿 and I've helped more than 100 entrepreneurs move to Dubai and eliminate their taxes legally. And if you want my help in doing the same, you can book a one-on-one call with me at setuphero.com/call. So today, I want to talk about one of the best methods to become a UAE resident, that is the golden visa. So if you are a high-income person who feels trapped by your country's tax laws or government overreach, the UAE Golden Visa can be a perfect plan B for you. It's basically a VIP pass for you to live an incredible life in cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Like any other growing country, the UAE wants to attract smart, successful people. The Golden Visa is designed to make it easy for people like that to become residents for at least 10 years. The concept of Golden Visa is nothing new. Lots of countries have them, and these types of visas provide residency to people who invest a certain amount of money into the economy. The UAE introduced its version of the Golden Visa in 2019 and surprised a lot of people when they made the visa to last for 10 full years. This means that the visa holder could travel in and out of the country and stay here as much as they like, start a business, take a job, and also they can bring their families along for this entire period. Now, the UAE government has established three primary ways to obtain this Golden Visa. First is the real estate investment route. So if you buy a house or an apartment that's worth at least 2 million dirhams, which is around 550,000 US dollars, you can apply for a golden visa. And if you are buying with mortgage or an off-plan property, you have to make sure that at least the entire value of the property is at least 2 million dirhams. The second option is to make a bank deposit, and all you have to do here is to deposit 2 million dirhams in a local bank for at least 2 years. And when you are applying for your golden visa, you just have to provide a certificate of deposit or the deposit letter. And you should know that the funds you have deposited have a 2-year lock-in period on them. But that shouldn't be a problem because most banks in UAE offer high-yield savings accounts and are secure banks to invest in. The third option is to obtain a high-income employment. So if you are making at least 30,000 dirhams a month in salary and have a good job in UAE, you could qualify for the golden visa. The economy of UAE is very strong and it's growing as well. And if you can do your part too, the government wants you here. So those are the basic options, but there is also a fourth way to get a UAE golden visa, that is the specialized talent category. If you are a leader in an industry like medicine, science, art, or business, you could be valuable to the UAE's economy. So you can apply for a golden visa under the specialized talent provision. If you are approved, you get to live and work here, and the UAE gets to add another industry leader to its ranks. So now the question comes that how fast you can get this golden visa. Well, you won't be surprised to learn that most people can get approved within a few weeks after meeting the application requirements that we have just discussed. But as with any other time where you need to deal with any government, you need to make sure that the application is in perfect order. And if you don't, you could miss out on this golden opportunity. That is where we can help you out. So if you are considering investing in a property in UAE, getting a golden visa and setting up your business here, you can book a one-on-one call with me at setuphero.com/call and we will get you started. Well, that's all for today and I will see you in the next video.